Okay, so today we are making a DIY garden trellis using this hog panel and these and some screws and a drill. So there are actually two ways to do this. Originally I was going to use T-posts and put them into the ground right here inside my garden boxes and then arch the trellis with this blocking them over like this and have two T-posts in here. But then I realized that my garden boxes are actually too small to fit the hog panel inside. So I've had to come up with another way to do it. So if you plan ahead and make your garden boxes so that the trellis can fit in there, or you're arching it somewhere where you can just set these up so it goes against here and it does the arch without, without needing to fit inside a garden box, then you can do it that way. I'm just gonna get these screws started. And this is just scrap 2x4 that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so now the tricky part, and this is the part I would recommend having someone to help you with, is actually arching the hog panel. I'm going to attempt to do it myself. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to see if this will stay for a second. I'm just going to borrow this nice rock just to make sure that stays in place. And then I am just going to put this across to hold it in place and screw it down. Secure, and I could even do a second one right here, but I think that's not going anywhere. Okay, this side is in, and I'm going to do the other side. It's pretty solid. That's not going anywhere. How does it look? Just imagine it with vining plants growing all over it. It's going to be amazing. So using a cattle panel and scrap 2x4s and a couple of screws, you can build this for about $30. This panel was $26. And then if you were using T-posts, so the T-posts would go into the ground there and then that would block this from popping out. The T-posts are just under $5. So if you were using T-posts and the cattle panel, it'd be about $45. But the arch trellises, if you want to just go buy one, they cost between $100 and $300 based on the ones I looked at.